Laos. Please come on the stage. तालियां होनी चाहिए इनके लिए. इनका वेलकम करने वाले हैं क्षितिज. Global Peace Conference 2026.
Namo Buddhaya, Namo Dhammaya, Namo Sanghaya. Respected, distinguished guests, honorable leaders, venerable monks, teachers, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon to everyone. It is a great honor for me to speak today at this Global Peace Conference. Today, in a peace, world peace. In today's world, many people are facing violence, stress, conflict, and misunderstanding. True peace does not begin outside. It begins inside the human mind. Today, the world faces many challenges. War and violence, hatred and discrimination, mental stress and depression, anger and misunderstanding, environmental misconception. Even though technology is growing, peace in the human's heart is still weak. Why problems happen? According to Buddhist teaching, conflict begins from greed, hatred, ignorance. When people cannot control anger and selfishness, suffering increases in society. In a peace begins within ourselves. If our mind is calm, our action become peaceful. Meditation and mindfulness help people develop vision, compassion, and wisdom. Compassion is a universal language. When we respect and help one another, peace can grow between community and nations. Peace education. Children and young people should learn kindness, non-violence, respect, forgiveness. Peace education is very important for the future of humanity. Moral living, moral values are the foundation of peace. In Buddhism, the 5 precepts teach people not to kill, not to steal, sexual misconduct, not to lie, not to harm others, or not to drink alcohol. Ethics create trust and harmony in society. Peace is possible when we work together. Every small act of kindness can change the world. We should not wait for others to create peace. Peace begins with each one of us. In conclusion, world peace begins with inner peace. Through compassion, wisdom, mindfulness, and moral living, we can build a more peaceful world for future generations. Thank you very much. Sappe satta bhavantu sukhi tatta. May all beings be happy. Nati santi param sukhang. There is no happiness higher than peace. Thank you. Mohantanyawad.
Thank you so much, sir. तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए, come on. Alright, so चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं ब्यूटीफुल सा टाइम को और स्पेशल बनाते हुए मैं रिक्वेस्ट कि एक बार तालियां होनी चाहिए सर के लिए क्योंकि